Congratulations! We hope to welcome you to the Lamb Family College of Business at San Francisco State. You'll be joining one of the top-ranked colleges for business. And we're accredited by AACSB. Only 6% of business schools worldwide receive this prestigious designation. Don't take our word for it. Listen to what our students have to say.
Hi, my name is Kenny, and I'm majoring in finance.
Hi, my name is Ganya. I'm a junior pursuing business administration with a concentration in marketing.
Hi, my name is Jonah. I am pursuing my bachelor's in business administration and majoring in accounting.
Hi, my name is Emma Paquette. I am a business major at the Lamb Family College of Business with a concentration in management.
When I joined the Lamb Family College of Business, I didn't just learn theory. My professors actually cared about how finance applies to the real world, and I got to learn from a network of companies such as Bloomberg and Wells Fargo. I also joined the FinTech Fellows program, where I got to further my knowledge specifically in FinTech through hands-on experience and mentorship. One of the highlights of my time here was a faculty-led study abroad trip to Brazil, where we got to visit all kinds of cryptocurrency offices throughout Sao Paulo and Rio. This was an extremely life-changing event for me.
The most impactful parts for my journey here was the office and employer tours that I went to. We went to the LinkedIn office, the Visa credit card office, and many more. Not only did it help me network with the people who already work in the company, but it also helped me imagine myself in the future and see what I can do after I graduate. I found out about the 4 fellowship programs that Lamb Family College of Business has to offer, one of which was a student ambassador. This program helped me with my leadership skills, my public speaking skills, but also most importantly, helped me make some amazing friends who have the same career goals as me.
I came to SF State looking for clarity on what opportunities were out there and how to actually reach them. I enrolled in the management program at Lamb Family College of Business, which gave me a strong foundation in leadership, strategy, and organizational thinking.
I joined accounting student organizations, and I was director of technical presentations. And because of that, it allowed me to network and connect with students, recruiters, and staff. And not only I got to enhance my accounting skills, but I also enhanced my communication skills. The accounting coursework and the professors challenged me by allowing me to make as many mistakes as I can. Because of the fact that I made so many mistakes, it allowed me to reach out to my professors, take the time out of my day to go to the office hours to ask questions. But it was more than just asking questions. It was more just about trying to get to know them on a bigger level. I got to build relationships with them. I got to ask them for advice. I got to ask them things about outside the accounting life. And because of that, it allowed me to volunteer. It allowed me to organize recruiting events. And it allowed me to just be more social. Not only I became a better student, but I also became a better professional.
Through career services, I received support with resume building, interview preparation, and one-on-one career counseling. With their support, I was able to land my first job while still in college, and they gave me the confidence to step into my career early.